Judge, are multifaceted. They are identical to what the mayor's position is. It is basically the mayor for the county. It's an administrative position here in Caldwell County. By state legislature, they do have authority to take on civil, probate, and other cases. But here in Caldwell County, they don't have to. We have justice of the peace. We have county court at law. We have district court. They have to put together the budget, make sure the budget, in my opinion, better be a balanced budget. It's the only way I will pass a budget. That's the only way in the city of Lockhart we have passed a budget, is if it's balanced, number one. They have the responsibility, in my opinion, to go out and represent the county, us, out in the region and in the state and in the legislature and in Washington. That is what I do as mayor, and that's why we've been so successful in keeping us at the table. I know the judge is on, I think we're on 12 mutual boards that we're on in the region. It's not just a matter of going and sitting in that office and answering the phone and saying county judge. It's a matter of going out and representing you, and you, everybody.
Time's up.
I chose to run for county judge because of what I have to offer, my experience that I have to offer, what I bring to the table. My executive experience as the mayor of Lockhart, the county seat, for the last 5 years, on the council there for the last 10 years, running my own business for the last 20 years, putting together a budget or consolidating a budget, a $27 million budget every year, when the county's budget is $15 million. Being able to overcome a lot of the problems that we shared in the city of Lockhart, that we shared with the county, roads being one of them. Has anybody noticed lately how nice the roads are in Lockhart? And anybody that lives in the city, ask them what their taxes have been doing. They haven't been shooting through the roof. It's through creativity. It's through fresh ideas. Raising taxes is not always the answer. Economic development is the single answer to all of our problems. Within the city of Lockhart, we've been able to bring 600 jobs in the last 5 years and diversify our tax base by $20.5 million. That's what I love to do, is go out and find jobs for my people and bring businesses into my county so that we can relieve the tax burden off of the backs of the residents. It's a pretty simple equation, very simple. I want to ask every one of y'all to go outside of the box. Think of this election not as you're going to get your friend into office, not as you're going to get a Democrat into office so that you're going to get a Republican into office. What I'm asking you to think of is, who is the one most qualified individual that is running for county judge? Who has the credentials that it takes to take that bench immediately and go to work, and has the experience? I can stand up here and tell you all day long, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. But what I'm going to tell you is, I want to tell you what I have done. Go look at the city of Lockhart. You'll see my experience. That is exactly what I bring to the table at the county judge's position. There's no reason for this Democratic primary to go into a runoff. None whatsoever. The county doesn't need to incur those costs. I ask for you to vote for me on the 16th so that we cannot incur another cost. And I appreciate every one of y'all's time and your votes. Thank you.